Welcome to Anju's Universe. If you have not subscribed my channel, if you are new, then do subscribe my channel, like my video and hit the bell icon for the new videos. So let's start the video. Today's recipe is Shahi Tukda, which I am going to do today. Let me show you the ingredients we need for this. First of all, I have taken 1.5 liters of milk which I have boiled and reduced around to 1 liter. Then I have to reduce even more, so that I will show you later. These are some bread pieces I have taken. This is brown bread I have taken. You can use white bread, no problem. And here's some ghee I have taken to fry these breads. And here big bowl of sugar I have taken, and it's depend up to you how much sweet you want. So I have taken little big bowl of sugar because I like it more sweeter. And here this is the milk powder which I am going to use to mix in this milk to make it thicker. And here are some nuts I have taken. So this is the pistachios I have chopped into small pieces. Then the almonds which I have chopped with skin, no problem, you can take with skin, not at all, it's not a problem at all. So here is the cardamom which I have powdered with skin. And this is kesar. So I have taken some kesar which I am going, it's Hindi, it's a saffron. I mean English it's a saffron, Hindi it's kesar. So I'm going to mix this into milk later. So first what I'm going to do, I will just heat the milk. And first I'm going to take little bit normal temperature, room temperature milk in a small bowl. Then I'm going to start and heat this milk. Here I have taken the milk. Now I'm going to add the milk powder into this milk. We have to mix it very well so that lumps should not be there. You can use the whisker or the fork also to mix it. So here I have whisked the milk, and now I am going to pour into this milk, and we have to whisk it nicely for 1 to 2 minutes so that lumps should not be formed. Meanwhile our milk is heating. By that time I have put one pan to fry the bread. So let the pan heat, then I am going to add the ghee, and I have taken 1 spoon of milk so that I can soak the saffron into it. From that same milk I have taken. We'll keep this aside. Now we'll fry the breads. Ghee is nice and hot. Now I'm going to add the bread. Not much, 2 at a time. We'll fry till it's become golden brown in color. Here's our bread, nice and golden in brown color. I'm going to take them out. Here it's nice and thick. Now I am going to add the sugar and the kesar saffron which I have dissolved in milk. So here is the half of the sugar I am going to use. Since I am not using any sugar syrup for the bread fried, so I am using little more sugar into this milk. When the sugar is dissolved, it's ready. Then I am going to pour it into the tukdas. Same time I am going to add the cardamom powder also. It's ready. Now I am going little cooler so that it will absorb the that bread. It will absorb the this milk, thickened milk. So it's done. I'm going to wait for another 10 to 20 minutes so it will become little cooler. Then I'm going to pour it. So here's it's little cooler but still hot. I'm going to pour it into this Shahi Tukdas so that it will absorb the milk and the sweetness and the flavor of the this milk. Here's our Shahi Tukda is ready. Let it cool down, or you can keep in fridge also. So when it's chilled and cold, it will taste even more better. So enjoy, do like. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for the new videos.